Okay, so I just wanted to show you this family room door. So this one has already had the Mark III upgraded handles on it, so they don't need to be upgraded. But what's happened is this little pin inside here has disappeared. I think that might be way back in there somewhere. No, I think it's completely gone. So when you close the door and you think it's latched, it's not actually latched at all. And then if you try and lock it, it's still not locked because the little pin's not gone behind the little thing here, so there's nothing to hold it. So this one is broken and will need to be upgraded at some stage, but you won't need to buy these handles and you won't need the key barrel because we have the key. This one over here, these are the old Mark I handles. You see they've got these black rubbery bits and they tend to break right through here, and eventually this one will go as well. This little pin will break, or this little button here will fail to retract, or the little shaft inside can get twisted if it gets a hard yank, and then this won't retract down, and then you go to close the door and it will break. That will happen eventually. It still seems to be working okay now, but there's also another one in this room through here. Excuse me, sorry, not my house. This one's still functioning okay. There's the little pin there, and that one seems to be functioning okay. Again, it's only a matter of time before it will eventually go. Doesn't need to be done right now, but if you're going to do one, you might as well do the whole lot. And as far as this one in here goes, the laundry one, which is the one I was contracted to do, I had this frame here in stock. This is the new Mark III one with the new Mark III mechanism in it. Unfortunately, when I put it on, it's a different colour. So this colour here is actually white luster, and the one that I have in stock is pearl white, so it looks very odd. It's a different colour, but what I've done is I have a second-hand mechanism in the truck, so I've just replaced this mechanism here. This one actually works. I'll have to order in the new frame. The other thing, because this has been pulled in the lock position, it's actually pulled the frame out from the wall. So when we go to close the door now, see, this is kind of twisted. So when the door closes, you can see it sort of hits on the frame here. That needs to be pushed over just a few millimeters, and then it will go in, you see. Then you hear that click. So that's actually working fine, except for that this, there we go, locked, key locked. No one gets in or out, and unlock, and then back to snip again. So that's actually working good too. Now, thanks. I hope that's been good. Thank you very much. Good. Bye-bye.